Wrong is wrong, even everyone is doing it. Right is right, even no one is doing it. It's not about the president is doing wrong things. Now we can change that it's a right thing because it's the president is doing it. No, wrong is wrong. People, we want to copy to other people. You have to do the right things on your own. Don't compare with other people. You say, why this person is doing those wrong things and you can do the wrong things. No, you have to live your life on your own. Don't copy to other people their lifestyle. They are doing bad things in their lives, so you are doing bad things because another person is doing those things. Even everyone is doing wrong things. Wrong is wrong, right is right. If you look in the world nowadays, people who are doing bad things are many. People who are doing right things are few. So don't compare to other people. You say you can live the kind of the lifestyle because another person or the president's daughter is living the kind of lifestyle and you want to do the same thing. Even most of the people are living a fake life or they are stealing or robbing and you want to do the same thing. You have to live on your own. Don't copy other people's lives because the wrong is wrong, guys. Even you can say this person is doing those things, why I can't do the same thing? And you know that this is wrong things. You have to do on your own.